Hi guys!
This is my Mina.
And this is my Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Wow. If you could learn any language, what would it be? Aside from our native language, the Tagalog and English, which is you already know, what else? Ano pa yung language na gusto mo?
Spanish. Basta Chinese ang second.
Ah,
Wala yung Bing.
paki-turn this off nga. Sayang yung battery mo.
Wala yung Bing.
Wait, turn this off first. Sayang yung battery.
I'll search what is.
And then, sige, isipin mo lang, yung gusto mo lang pag-aralan na language.
Wala yung Bing.
Padali.
Yung first Spanish, yung second China.
Chinese.
Chinese. Wala yung
Kasi
Bing.
you call the Chinese, others Mandarin. Alam ko, kahit gano'n ang China, they have different kinds of Chinese language.
Okay.
The one is Mandarin. Yun, nababasa ko lang. So, you want Spanish. Oh, parang magaling yung Spanish. Sige nga, do you know any words that's Spanish? Do you know any Spanish word? Give me sample. Give me example.
I'm taking a breath.
Parang si Dora ba yan? Si
No!
Dora. Oh. Si Dora, di Spanish si Dora. Hindi ba?
Spanish is doon.
Oh, sige na, huwag ka na mag-isip.
Anyway,
Search na lang natin.
numbers,
later.
numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hola. Soy Dora.
Ayan, Spanish yata.
Hola.
yun.
Soy
That-
Elena.
Can you please think of it? Is that Spanish ba si Dora? I mean, she speaks Spanish. Wow, very good. So, yan ang gusto mong matutunan.
Alam mo, may isa pa.
What's the second one?
Yung second na Chinese. Yung third, alam mo yung third.
Second Chinese.
Yung third.
Spanish, Chinese. What's the third?
Third one is guess. Yes.
German.
No.
French.
No.
French, okay din yun, no? Parang, ang social lang word, no? I don't know. Ano pa ibang language?
Starts with letter.
Italian.
No. Wala pa nga.
Starts with letter what?
Muntik na.
Ano? What's, sa ano nag-start na letter?
And it ends with letter A. Ends with letter A.
What starts with?
I know. Ends with letter A. Ends with letter A.
Ends with letter
It's
A.
in Asia.
Indonesian.
No!
Um,
Muntik na.
ano pa ba?
10, 9, 8,
African? Ano ba?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano?
Siret. Siret na nga. Sabihin,
Safe na. Alam ko na yun eh. Alam mo ano? India.
India. Ano ba tawag sa dialect ng India? Ano ba tawag sa language nila?
Basta
Indian? Hindi, Indian tao yun eh. We can check on that later.
Indianis.
Hindi. Tandaan mo yan so you can search on that para alam mo. We will look it in the Google. Indian words.
This is
Language
how
or dialect.
This is how to say I don't know if you cannot say.
Parang ang hirap na, parang Arabic yata yan eh. Arabic nga yata yung
Hindi.
word yung dialect ng Indian.
Wow.
Sige, we'll check on that. Pero mahirap yun, parang ang hirap intindihin ng Arabic. Well, lahat naman ng language aside from English, other than English, lahat mahirap na. Okay, yeah. those interested una si Arela sa French. Wow, talaga naman French talaga.
Espanyol.
Spanish.
Espanyol.
Iba pa, Spanish pala, Spanish. Iba pa yung French. Iba pa yung Spanish. Okay, thank you for answering me and thank you for watching our video. Till next. Bye. God bless.
Like this.
Kulit.